Welcome to your dream Tuscan kitchen, a space where rustic charm meets timeless Italian warmth. In this video, we'll design your perfect Tuscan-style kitchen step by step, from materials to mood lighting. Step 1. Concept. Start with the feeling. Think warm, welcoming, and sun-kissed. Picture exposed wooden beams, plaster walls with a soft lime wash, and terracotta floors glowing in natural light. Step 2. Materials. Use natural, aged materials, weathered oak cabinets, honed limestone countertops, and wrought iron accents. These textures bring authenticity and that old-world Tuscan soul to your space. Step 3. Colors. Choose colors straight from the Italian countryside: terracotta, olive green, golden ochre, and creamy off-white. Let every shade feel sun-baked and organic. Step 4. Layout. Design an open, flowing layout. Place a reclaimed wood island at the center, perfect for cooking, wine, and conversation. Keep the classic work triangle: stove, sink, and fridge in easy reach. Step 5. Cabinetry. Add rustic cabinetry with raised panels and hand-forged iron pulls. Mix open shelving with glass-fronted doors to show off your favorite ceramics and spices. Step 6. Focal point. Make the range the star of your kitchen. Add a custom plaster hood with corbels and a spice niche. Surround it with copper pans and stone backsplash for that timeless Tuscan vibe. Step 7. Lighting. Lighting sets the mood. Use wrought iron chandeliers, warm recessed lights, and natural light through arched windows. Aim for a golden glow that feels like an Italian sunset. Step 8. Textures and details. Layer the details: herbs in terracotta pots, wooden cutting boards, baskets of lemons, and hanging copper cookware. These touches make the space feel alive and inviting. Step 10. Finishing touches. Add potted rosemary, a runner rug near the sink, and woven chairs at the island. Small, lived-in moments complete the Tuscan story. And there it is, your warm, rustic Tuscan kitchen, a perfect blend of old-world charm and modern comfort right in your own home. If you love classic Mediterranean design, hit like, subscribe, and tell us which part of your Tuscan kitchen would you create first.